spoke words into being. The very same God who speaks life into me. The very same God who gave His living will. The very same God who brings new life within. Say, you are amazing, God. Your heart is for us. In your presence, I find freedom. Great God, you are amazing, God. Your heart is for us. In your presence, I find freedom, freedom. Yeah, yeah. Same God that sent us Captain Green. The very same God who breaks chains over me. The very same God that overcame the grave. The very same power He raised the dead today. You are amazing, God. You are for us. In your presence, I find freedom. Great God, you are amazing, God. You are for us. In your presence, I find freedom. Find freedom. Hallelujah. And today, to the same. Preaching love for the race every day. Yesterday and today, to the same. You are a great God. Preaching love for the race every day.